So we switched locations, but here's one of the cars. The Hot Wheels have rust. You can see it right there. So like I said, we're gonna try white vinegar on Hot Wheels, see if it works. It does work, but we're gonna try on these Hot Wheels though. Here's one. See the wheel. Got this one over here too. You can see the rose right there. And then sadly, still in the box. You see that? Fast and Furious S2000. I'm probably gonna have to open it too, just to fix that. It's only on one side too. Oh man, that's bad. Look at that. See the package. Kind of has a little bit in the front residue. Look at that. See it right there. And like the wheel well. Let's have it over here. Damn, what a nice looking car though. Sucks I had to open it. So try some of this. See how it reacts. Leave it for maybe a day. Put them in the corners. No, stinks. Actually, more than enough. Looks like they're covered. So I'm gonna let them sit for probably 24 hours or maybe less. Who knows? Oh, stinks stuff. Stuff stinks. So right now it's 9 o'clock. 9:06 on Saturday, January 26th. We'll probably check it tomorrow around, I don't know. We'll see. So it's been over 24 hours. I kind of went over for a few hours. That's alright though. Let's see. So you can kind of see. Hold up. It's kind of dark. Alright, got some light. You can kind of see the particles there in the white vinegar. So hopefully I got some rust down. Throw this stuff away. Stuff kind of stinks. Well, at least to me it does. Let's see if it works. Wheel. Take some off. This little Hot Wheels thing I did. Maybe we try it with tools later or something. But yeah. Thanks for watching. I don't really do this all the time at all. It's my channel, but subscribe if you like it maybe. Probably won't do it again, hopefully. But you never know. Thanks for watching, and thanks guys. So this is the after product, how it looks. Doesn't look too bad. Maybe if I had a better brush to get in there. You guys can still see it in there. If I had a better brush, definitely clean it up more. There's an S2K. And also the back wheel. This one actually looks pretty clean, but you can kind of deep in there, maybe see. Now here's this one, which was this wheel. You can kind of see it, but with a better brush, I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. For the most part, it worked, because this one was the worst. Hopefully, you guys liked, enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. And that's it.